Hi guys, let's make this simple scandalous top together. But before we get started, I'd like you to hit the subscribe button. Please do hit the subscribe button. It helps my channel grow. It helps YouTube recommend my videos. So let's get started on this simple top. First and first, you need at most 1 yard of fabric to be able to achieve this. You don't need more than that, except of course if you're a plus size, then you need more than 1 yard. But 1 yard is just enough. So go ahead and measure 26 inches on all sides. All sides of this dress are equal. 26 inches all round. And then I'll go ahead and bring in my belt, which is going to be 2 inches wide and also about 16 to 20 inches long. It depends on your weight. So I have about 6 of this all together. And then this 6 is going to be 2 for the upper part, 2 for the waist, and 2 for the edge of the dress. So right here I'm going to show you how the dimensions with which I used to cut this piece. So this is about 25 inches long, and then it's also 2 inches wide. So you can do less, you can do more. If you're on the bigger side, if you're plus size, you can do 30 inches, but 25 is just okay for me. In fact, 25 was a bit too much. So you can do 20 inches thereabout. So the next thing I'll go ahead and do is just to hem all the edges of my fabric. Remember, this fabric, all sides are equal, both length and breadth. So I'll go ahead and hem all of these sides like so. And then I'll show you how I did that on my sewing machine. It's a very simple process. Just ensure that your sewing and your finishing is neat. That's all you need to do. So after doing that, I'm still going to go ahead and do the same thing, but this one I'll be piping the loops one after another. Remember, I have 6 of these loops, and I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing for all of them. So I'm just trying to show you how I'm going to fold it before I do the stitching. So this is called piping, and that is what I'm going to go ahead and do on my sewing machine. I'll show you the process. It's very simple and very easy. So what I'm doing right here is just hemming all the edges, like I said. Just make sure you have a very neat finishing, a very neat stitch, and then you just go ahead and stitch straight to the edge. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing for all the 4 sides of this piece. The same thing all around it. Once that is done, the next thing I'm going to go ahead and do is to pipe the loops. Of course, this is a very simple process, just like I showed you earlier. I'll tuck it in like so, and then I'm going to go ahead and give it a neat stitch. And I'll be doing the same thing for the other 5. So I have 6 loops altogether, 2 for the neck, 2 around the waist, and then 2 around my hip. So once I'm done stitching that, the next thing I'm going to go ahead and do is to attach my loop to all the areas. So these are my loops. They are 6 in numbers. And the next thing to do is to locate where I'll be placing them. I'll be placing one at the edge of this dress. Remember, this side, this dress, all sides are equal, so you can choose any side you want. So I'll attach one to this side and one to the other edge like so, and I'm going to stitch it down. So I'm done stitching it down. So this is the result. This is what I have. So next thing to do is to fold my fabric into 2, and then I'll pick up my tape, and then I'll mark 16 inches. That is where I'll be placing my second loop. So what I have right there is 16 inches. I'll mark it right there, and then I'll be placing my second loop right there on both sides. So on this other side also I have 16 inches. I'll mark it, and then I'll place my loop also on that side. So next thing to do is very simple. I'm going to be marking where I'll be placing my last loop, and I'll be doing that just close to the edge of my piece right there. So I'll just mark it close to the edge of the dress. So I'll mark it right there. So I'll be placing this respectively. I'll be placing one of the loops here, and then I'll be placing the other one down there, and I'll be doing the same thing for both sides. So I'm done attaching all the loops. This is what it looks like. It's very simple, easy peasy. And then this is the result. This is so beautiful. You can wear this to the office with your blazer, jacket, or suit, and it looking smart and beautiful. Thanks for watching.